If you are ready to modernize your home's climate control, the Honeywell Home RTH9585WF 1004 Smart Color Thermostat is the perfect upgrade that balances sophisticated design with genuine energy-saving performance. It takes the guesswork out of maintaining a comfortable temperature and gives you total control, whether you're sitting on your couch or halfway around the world. Why the Honeywell Smart Color Thermostat is a must-have. Intuitive and beautiful interface. The high-resolution color touchscreen isn't just easy to read, it's fully customizable. You can match the display colors to your home's decor, and the interface is so simple that anyone in the family can use it without needing a manual. Total remote control. Because it's Wi-Fi enabled, you can adjust your home's temperature right from your smartphone or tablet using the app. You'll never have to come home to a freezing or sweltering house again. Just change the settings before you leave the office. Smarter energy efficiency. As an Energy Star certified device, it's designed to help you shave money off your utility bills. With 7-day flexible programming, you can create a schedule that fits your life, ensuring you aren't heating or cooling an empty house. Smart home integration. It is fully Alexa ready, meaning you can simply ask your voice assistant to set the temperature to 72 degrees without ever getting up from your seat or opening an app. It integrates seamlessly into your existing smart home ecosystem. Perfect for the busy household. If your schedule changes constantly, the remote control and flexible programming make it easy to adapt on the fly. Energy-conscious homeowners. If you want to reduce your carbon footprint and your monthly energy costs, this thermostat gives you the data and scheduling power to do exactly that. Tech-friendly living. If you already use smart home devices like Alexa, this is the final piece of the puzzle that makes your home feel truly connected and modern. It is rare to find a smart home device that improves your daily comfort, lowers your monthly expenses, and looks great on your wall all at once. If you're ready to stop relying on an outdated manual thermostat and start enjoying the convenience of a truly smart home climate, click the link below for the best price.